talk on our program. Sikapin po namin makakuha ng mas maraming tawag as possible. Tad is on the line. Tad, kamusta?
Hi, okay. I'm in charge of the senior citizens here in Wilmington, and I've collected $725 from the seniors, and you know they are on a fixed income, but they want to help our kababayan in the Philippines. So I would like you to keep on announcing it because they were scared that it might go to the wrong hands. So I need you to talk to me where I can send out money.
Yeah. Ang Pedro po, ano po ang gagawin nyo pag-allocate ng mga funds na makukuha nyo?
As of the moment, ibibili ng kailangan doon sa Tacloban.
Okay.
As I have mentioned in the past, just a few minutes ago, it's best to just procure the items here, put them in a box, and then perhaps somebody will fly.
Bakit po mas mura?
Oo.
O if we buy by the bulk here? Kesa sa Pilipinas?
May mga produkto kasi ngayon ang mga needs no food like noodles. Of course, noodles is more cheaper in Asia than coming from here.
Right.
Pero yung mga medicines like katulad ng itong like for instance itong mga 1.3 million na mga bata na nangangailangan for colds, for fever, at saka yung pang-treat na mga wounds nila kasi marami rin mga nasaktan. So iniisip po ng Pedro na maaaring pwede naman dating bilhin dito yun.
Okay.
So ang ginagawa po sana namin dito is that actually we're trying to get some partners na makakapag-sponsor po ng pagdadala nito kasi syempre may bayad ho pag from here to LA going to the Philippines yung cargo.
You know what? LBC is doing a drive that they are shipping some boxes, and maybe we can connect you to LBC.
But those are via ocean liner, not by air.
Air cargo. Air cargo ang tinitignan natin dito kasi swift relief
Right. And speaking of swift, para po dun sa mga kanina, inumpisahan po natin ang ating programa, Calling on People, na naghahanap pa rin ang kanilang mga kamag-anak sa Pilipinas in the hardest hit areas. Conjen, you mentioned about how even till now, may mga hindi pa na-identify na mga bodies lining the streets.
Oo. In fact, ang mga forensic experts natin nandoon na nga sa Tacloban. And so, nandun pa lang sila sa so far, ang fatality na na-confirm na natin is 1,798. Katulad ng sinabi ko sa kanina, mas konti pa yung kanina, pero the numbers just keep on rising, no?
Okay. And, but right now, para naman sa ating mga kababayan dito, aside from helping, aside from organizing to help, we are asking for calm and patience. And you have that email address that you've been talking about earlier.
Yes, yun pong mga may activities for donation o mga fundraising or any other activity that to support the relief efforts, dun lang po, pakipadala lang po sa email na lapcg.relief@gmail.com. Pati rin ho yung gustong naghahanap ng mga relatives nila, and we will pass it on to the appropriate authorities in Manila. Gusto ko lang, Janelle, banggitin at this stage bago tayong matapos na tinawagan ako ni Mayor Eric Garcetti.
Okay.
And he offered assistance to us. Sabihin lang daw natin kung ano yung kailangan. So, because they've got technical expertise on this.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much to Eric Garcetti, Mayor Eric Garcetti of Los Angeles. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga tumulong. Thank you rin po. I know you've been working so hard. Parang hindi na po ata kayo nakakatulog po, Conjen, but you're still looking good. Thank you for all your help. Thank you for joining us today on the show. We'll see you again tomorrow.